Hey everyone, welcome on in. We will just get started here. So we last left off chaos. Apologies if I sound a little bit draggy. My meat yogurt decided it hated me last night and said sleep was for the weak. Newsflash, I am the weak. So I've got a little bit of a migraine. I've taken some meds. They should be kicking in right about now. So, a couple of things. One, we just finished off a raid, so we got a couple prisoners here that's going to keep freaking out about. Now, we were looking at possibly executing this one. Because they're not... The traits are absolutely horrible on this person. And we're not at the point where we can get, like, philophagy or any of that to make it useful to keep them around for their skills. So I think just doing a... because I got 10 hours left on being guilty, because they attacked us. And they attacked our thrumbos. How dare they? So I think that one will be good to just execute. This one, however, Fast Walker Kind Bloodlust, with double passion in plants and crafting and melee, is very delicious in the sense of I don't actually want you to be a sandwich. Excuse me. Had some soda beforehand. Caffeine helps the meds work faster, so. Alright, now on the other news, we have here our fella that would make us our thrumbo pair. Problem is, we have no vegetables. So all we have is meat and eggs and some smidgens of pemmican. None of which they will feed to the thrumbo in tame attempts. So, we need vegetables and we need them stat. We've also got a couple of lady thrumbos out here that I would also really like to make my friend, particularly because I've got the mods so that they actually give milk and such, which we've actually got a little bit here. So we just finished off with a raid. We are at 117. Now, we are running into some issues with our animals. Between the cold snap and some minor streamer error, that is me, we have a couple of animals that are starting to crank at us about their food amounts. So let's just check you real quick. Okay, you are actually pregnant, so I'd really rather not slaughter you. So what we might do is we've got an overabundance of food. I think I'll be a little sneaky. Let's go ahead and let's put a zone in here. And we are going to clear all, and we'll make this critical, and we'll just put simple meals here. Now, the vast majority of these animals can just eat meals. So, by putting the meals in there, they should just naturally start to feed themselves. Which will also help feed our little thrumbo friend here. Now, how is everybody doing after the fight? Looks like we've got our health conditions all figured out, except for our very valiant thrumbos here, who did the vast majority of the actual fighting, because I was a doof and didn't put them inside. You're not actually fully tended. How are you doing, Captain? Get the burn scar, recreation unfulfilled. Okay, Danbot was exhausted, so we finally had to put them down. How is Striker doing on needs? Okay, you're doing better. Let's actually get you to feed and then tend this thrumbo, please and thank you. We want to try to avoid as many scars as possible. We already ended up with one on this, not thrumbo number 1 here. Can't wait. Now my brain's just playing Mambo number 5 in my head, but instead it's Thrumbo number 5, and that's kind of delightful. We still have some cleanup to do on the map, I see. Still got some sandwiches here to deal with. Not like we need them, but you know how it is. Got Okay, Aya's holding steel to make another transport pod. That's good, because I think we're going to need to send Aya out on a caravan. And one of the fastest ways for us to do that would be to launch her. Now, you can't send a whole lot with her, so we'll have to double check. It might be better to have her go on foot. Just because you can carry so much stuff if you give them a pack animal. Let's see here. Oh, yes. I was fighting with Captain because he kept trying to steal the kibble. No. Stop it. There. Let's get this clean here. Aya, what you doing? Building the concrete? I would rather you build these shelves. I know some of these I set to be moved. Some of them I accidentally... There we go. No. Work on the shelf. There. One thing I really do wish is that sometimes the blueprints of where stuff is going is so obtrusive. Hey, masterwork button down. Thank you very much, sir. Where did she go? Ah, good. That was actually one where it needed wood. Goody goody gosh. Alright. And an alpaca wool parka. Very nice. Okay. Good. I'm glad I got someone to clean there. Because he's cooking already. Oh, did I set this to critical? Hiya! Welcome in. No worries. I appreciate the lurk. I hope your day at work is good. Oh gosh. English is hard today. I've got a migraine brewing and it decided I didn't need sleep last night, which is delightful. And definitely not true. But I hope your day is good. There we go. Building some shelves and stuffs. Alrighty. Now, how are we doing on this? Okay, they're still asleep. So unfortunately, there's not much we can do about 5 hours left. That's not bad. You're getting there. You'll do it. Alright, get that shelf moved there. Perfect. Alrighty. And then, let's move this single shelf here. Perfect. Look at the doggy. Doggy. Oh no. The doggy's coming in to eat. Why are you eating the corpse? There's so much meat you just walked by. Why are you eating? Oh, whatever, puppy. Whatever. Sometimes AI is silly. Let's see here. We can reinstall this one here. And then reinstall this one here. Do the shuffle. Do, 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 do. And that will give us more room here. And I can expand this up this way. Okay. Work on a small shelf, please. And then work on that one. There we go. Get ourselves rearranged. Hey. No. That was silly. Work on the shelf. Silly. There. Alright. Okay, so now she's gonna go build some other stuff. I mean, building the traps would be good if we do get double tapped. How's everything else doing? How much longer do we have on your guiltiness? 7 hours. Oh yes, we were in the middle of expanding this out so we can actually deconstruct those. And we can set these to be built. Okay. How are we doing, Mr. Medical Emergency? We have one festival that's on cooldown. Plus we have the quest for 10 people showing up to help. I really need her to get into a caravan, actually. 'Cause we need to get out before we get hit again. Because we need vegetables and we need them stat. That's probably the one thing that's a little counterintuitive with the rancher meme is you need some kind of greens, even if it's just hay, to make like kibble and such, because that's what most animals can feed off of. So let's go ahead and form a caravan. Now, how are... I should check actually on the world map first. 9 days on your restock. What about these folks? Restock since last visit. That's where we'll go. Send a caravan. Oh, also, that reminds me. Aya can actually... No, she's not high enough to go to the Empire to actually trade. I think she needs to be a knight. She's just like a freeholder, I think. Okay. So, we'll go there. Oh, thank you, Captain. I appreciate the offer. I don't know if I will. It's kind of in the realm of... if I kind of have that vibe, I might play like Enshrouded or something else first. Let's grab our eggs. Oh, that does remind me. I actually have to pick up some of the eggs. Let's go back for a second. For anyone who's interested, my family and I used to play 7 Days to Die quite a lot because it is a hostable multiplayer, which means the 5 of us can actually play together, which is annoyingly rare for a lot of multiplayer games to allow 5 people. So we played it for quite a bit. Alpha 18, I believe, is where we started in, and then 19 we played a while, and then when Alpha 20 came out, it just kind of didn't work anymore. No one's specific fault or anything like that, just some of the changes they made to the loot system were very counterintuitive to how we played the game together. We played very cooperatively, we were always in a group, we had joint bases, and we would spread out our skills on purpose. So like we would specifically set aside this person would have shotguns and this person would have the melee weapons, that like the baseball bats, and this person would have knives and this person would do this. And so we had our skills so like separated that with the new loot system they had done, there was no way for us to ever get skill books for everyone. So we would have had to have completely respect every single person into a like the same weapons and the same movesets, because the loot system was based off of what skills you grabbed. So if, say, I opened a box, it would just give me like shotguns and baseball bat stuff. But if my mom's using like assault rifles and that's not helpful to her, then she's never going to get books. And sitting there and like trying to ration it out and be like, oh wait, you looted this box this time, so it's this person's turn to loot this crate, was absolute nonsense. Oh, both of our throwbows are hurt, so I don't want to take them. What about... Oh, we've got dromedaries. Oh, we've got yaks too. Let's see. Stallion is 84. Honestly, muffaloes are 84. Dromedary is 74. Okay, let's just take a horse. Cool. Where'd they go? There they are. Let us take a horsey. Alright, we'll take that off. Do not take that. Do not take that. You don't need the double bedroll. You can take a single bedroll. The other thing that I found, this is absolutely just, I have tired brain rant, so I apologize to anyone, is the way the devs would change things for 7 Days to Die feels very weird to me, speaking as a game dev myself. There's a lot of times where they would be like, oh no, the players found an optimal way to do things. Let's completely rewrite our code so that that thing doesn't work anymore. And they do this like every update. And it's kind of like, do you want people to play your game Like, if you keep changing the rules and moving the goalposts, it seems a little counterintuitive. So it's just like some options where it was just like, why are you that's weird. And then just other general things and vibes. Like there were a couple of things that just personally had always kind of rubbed me the wrong way. And my family has very different tastes in games. So one, finding a game we can all play that we all like is ridiculous. So the issue we were running into was that at one point we had a mod on 7 Days to Die that helped cut down on some of the gore, because my mom's not a huge fan of that. But soon, every time they updated it, that mod would get broken. And it just got more and more broken to the point where it would not function. And then, so my mom just wasn't like comfortable playing it because she didn't feel comfortable doing any of the fighting, which I totally get. I understand why they would add in like more of that, like, you know, the blood and the guts is what you come here for, a zombie slasher style thing, right? Is to see their heads explode. But that wasn't very much what my mom wanted, so we shifted a lot to Planet Crafter because that was still kind of in the base building vibe, and it was nice because that didn't involve any like enemies in that sense. What else? I think that should be good. We want to see if we can smelt that. Sorry, I am getting sidetracked often and shamelessly. Okay. I think that might be good. Hello, Pineapple. Welcome back. That grabs most of our silver. Let's take a couple hundred out of that, actually. Because we've had this happen before. We send off a trade with all of our silver, and then we get a comms trader. And it's just like, yeah, we'll do that. That's looking pretty good. And yes. Okay. Sheep's wool? Buffalo wool. We'll leave the mega sloth because it's really good for cold temperatures, and the alpaca wool is in general the best ones are the wolves. The wolves. Oh my gosh, the wool. I'm rolling with disadvantage here. I think that's it. I'm just like double, triple checking because my brain is in Space Cadet mode. And yeah. Send. Confirm. Alright. There we go. That should get that sorted out. How is Killer doing? Needs to haul some steel. As usual. Okay. Can I... Good, I can get you to haul. Let's get some of this stuff moved around, please, and thank you, sir. You're good on needs. Okay. Speaking of, how are our little thrombos going? Alright, you're all patched up. You're all patched up. Bless their hearts. Alright. Shadows. Let's clean again. And then you can cook. Alright. And I know you want to relax socially and all that jazz, but can we finish hauling the things? I would like to finish hauling the things. You have like... Oh, is the burn scar what's doing it? It's probably the burn scar. I'm like, why are you taking it in such small chunks? Because burn scar. Now, we have Lurk Queen in a bioregeneration to fix their burn scar. So we're getting there. Haul. And then haul some more. They've still got 24 days left. Now we still need, oh, let's double check our guilty here. 6 hours. Okay. Let's get, wait, why are you, oh, some of these shelves are not connected. Whoops-a-doodle. Link. Captain, haul that out, please. Shadows, haul that out. Killer, we're gonna clear your prioritized work. Now haul the steel. And then go clean the temple. We have someone to execute, aka executing the sandwich protocol. Alrighty. Fair enough, doggy. Fair enough. Alright, I'll get those out of there. Let's get this clean here again. Perfect. Alright. Did I set this? Yes, I did. Okay, I did set that to critical. Good, good, good. Alright. Let's see how we're doing on the cleanliness of this room. Pretty good. Now, Aya is our leader. So I do think we need to make sure we do this execution before we go. Alright. Let's see what happens when we do this. Alright. Oh, okay, Lenzar is our leader. That works. In that case... Ooh, we could accept the 10, and that would up our people for this. Or wait, is Aya already not participating? Aya's already not participating. Okay. Perfect. This works great. Okay. Yeah, I think that's right. Because Gazelle is the one we're looking to recruit. Perfect. Yeah, I don't see anything else we can do on that, so let's go ahead and do that. Execute sandwich protocol. You are currently guilty of being a sandwich. Oh, really? Really? I am like one of the only people who actually cares about eclipses because look how many solar panels I have to fight my sun lamps. Ugh. That means we need to remove all this roof again. I can barely even see what's going on because somebody decided to start fires in here, and so the fire foam popper went off, which, you know, great. It's supposed to do that, but it's still annoying. Now I'm gonna have to put back some of this roof to make sure that the sun lamps are covered in case it rains, but for now, this is the quickest way to tell what isn't roofed. Like so, and like so. And then right across here. I think that's good. We can keep the roof there. Okay. And we're gonna want to disconnect our sun lamps here. Double check that was actually the dummy switch. Yes, it was for both of them. So that should power those off. Okay. Let's power off the smelter. This is busted, so it's powered off anyways. Yeah, we have a component problem. Let's... Oh, do you have a dummy switch in range? You do. Perfect. Turn that off. Since we might lose the lights, I would rather turn off the bioferret harvesting for now. Yeah, because with the eclipse up, all we have is just the geothermal power and the vanometric power cell, which I'm very glad we have. Alrighty. Bring out the prisoner. We find you guilty of being tasty and looking like a sandwich. And you attacked us, therefore, you're a sandwich. Ooh. It was an awkward one, but we still got the Ideologian upgrade. Alright. Fun, fun. Okay. The one I wondered about going into, we'll need to build a room for it first. So let's just do a quick check here on prisoner. Okay, you're already converted, so that's perfect. Won't be any wasted points that way. Okay. Alright. And Aya is away. There we go. Now, one thing we want to do is we want to build a copy here. We can't build it yet because we don't have the stuff. But if we at least place it... Oh, that's weird. Why are you doing that? Delete. Weirdo. Silly thing. Give me the growing zone I accidentally put there. There we go. Expand. Thank you. We want to at least figure out like how much more growing space we have. So that looks nice. And then we're gonna want some wood floors in here. All right. That looks pretty good. So I'm hoping that Aya can get us some veggies and come back. We do have some folks planting. What is Linzar doing? Sleeping? Fair enough, but I kind of need you to do some of that roof stuff for me, but I understand. Killer, are you going to dig at the compacted steel? How about you haul it? Alright. Oh, we've got more animal starvation going on. Let's get Captain. I need you to merge these. Now, let's set this level down once. So this should, as soon as folks are eating, make it so that they should haul meals to this spot. Because apparently I had them both set to critical, so it wasn't doing that. Now, haul, please, and thank you. We need to get some meals in there for our animals. Perfect. And then after you're done that, OSHA, do a merge. How are we doing here? Actually, clean that up real quick. There we go. Alright. And then we can do the merge. Merge these. Alright. Now we have some more space, so let's go ahead and turn on... this is our animals butchering. And then let's haul the simple meals, because as you can see, they're already gone. Alright. Let's get you to clean, sir. How are we doing? Oh, I have this disconnected. That might not be a bad thing, considering. Because we are indeed losing power. Because, thank you, Eclipse. Ugh. Alright. What's everybody doing? Let's get this cleaned. OSHA, empty this egg box, please. And that one. Okay. So, we at least got Aya away. We dealt with one of our sandwiches. We have the reform ready. I am wondering about adding on Ritualist. Now, let's just take a look-see at what that would be. We're not going to accept this yet because I'm not sure. But if we accept Ritualist, it will slow down our research. That's one thing to keep in mind. It slows down your regular research, but it makes your Void study way better. So let's say we do take this. Yep, that's confirmed, no problem. So we can switch at least to slow on the research. It's still going to be a huge downgrade because we had our stuff at very fast. So we might want to double check what else we want to get researched before we do this. But it puts Psychic Rituals as Exalted, which means they approve whenever you do the special rituals. And I really love the rituals. It also makes it so we can get those rituals faster. Which could be really useful since we lost one of our sources of basic when the Tough Spike escaped and we ended up killing it because it was just too beat up. Yeah, that's pretty much all it does, is it changes up our studying to make us way better at the Void and worse at everything else. And then makes it so that we get mood buffs for doing rituals. And also a small mood debuff if we don't do them often enough. So, hit back and cancel. Don't press done. That would be ridiculous right now. That's what I'm thinking for our next ideology. So let's check in here. Ooh, we are very close to getting done fabrication. Got Crystal Sleep Casket. We've got a book that's working on vital monitors. I think, yeah, maybe once we get done fabrication and we get started on advanced, that might be when we switch in. So that gives us a little bit of time. Masterwork Corset, very nice. To sort out a room to actually do our rituals in. Because that is one problem we do currently have, other than the fact that we have no vegetables. Other problem is there's no way in or out here. Oh, there goes our power. Oh, I missed one. Aha! That's the problem. Thought I had all those sun lamps off. I was incorrect. There we go. I really wish I can get them to clean that. That spot is so terrible. Let's see. Normally I try to leave the home zone out of the fields just because if they spend their time cleaning all the dirt and the grass, it's kind of like, what are you doing? But we do kind of need this fire foam cleaned up. Like so? Yeah, I think that's good. Shadows, do a quick clean before you do that cook. Thank you very much. Let's get this twisted meat out of the way. Okay. So hopefully that should mean folks will actually want to... Ooh. Okay, Boar is eating that. Fair enough. Fair enough. Joys of the pigs. Okay. Now, Pineapple, okay, is still hauling some bodies. However, how are we doing here? Spoils in 1 day. Okay. We got about a day left on the other sandwich meat from here. That's a lot of silver on that guy. Let's do this trick here. Doop. And let's go this way, like so. All right, and then here to there. I think that's all the stuff there. All right, and then we will set this to clear all. That should help. Alrighty, how are we doing on the animal starvation? Quite bad still. Okay. Trivial, minor. Trivial, minor. Okay, you're literally eating, so you're fine. What's the other minor one? The other wild boar. Okay. You might actually just eat when the other one's done with that body. Okay. There we go. Starting to look pretty decent. Lenzar, are you done sleeping? That's the one problem with Itakeens. Oh, I need to sleep so much more. And it's just like, I want you to be doing things. There we go. Pineapple hauling in the sandwich meat. Good pineapple. The other thing we found out is we have a little bit of a rat and a squirrel problem. They're just coming in our base, just to hang out, just vibing. They're not even ours. Like, what are you doing? Get out of my house! Look, all these blue ones here are not mine. But it's like, there's no point in hunting anything. We have so much meat as it is. But... okay, that's all just tainted-y stuff. I won't worry about that. Okay. How is Aya doing? She's just about at the Empire, so still a little bit to go for her. Alright. Shadows, make sure you do a clean, sir. Speaking of cleaning. Actually, Pineapple, can you haul that meal out? Let's get you to haul this twisted meat. I don't like it being so close to the door. There goes our power. Yep. Crud. We can disconnect this. Disconnect our sun lamps. Like... I don't know what you want from me. Haul that. Expand to here. Okay. Sun lamps helped. We have, like, no wind, of course. Freaking tree. Get out of here. We need to put a growing zone in here just so that they will cut. Ugh. Okay. So we will set this to hay grass and allow cutting. And then... like so. To here. Set that to hay grass with allow cutting. And then here, hay grass and allow cutting. And is there enough in here to make this worth? Honestly, probably. Yeah. We are so starved for this stuff. Let's use every inch that we can find. Okay. There we go. How are our things going here on the animal starvation? Check here. Trivial. Minor. We still haven't eaten yet. Interesting. Check our auto slaughter. Okay, everything's up to snuff that way. Other than we could get rid of some of the young alpacas. That might not be a bad idea. How many male young do we have? Oof. Same thing with the muffalos and the sheep and the cows. We have so many of the young. I don't normally like to do this because I usually feel like it's a waste. It's better to wait till they grow up. But I think for the males, I am actually going to be a bit of a stickler. And I am going to lower this. Because that's a lot of mouths to feed. And honestly, we don't need the meat all that badly, so... Especially because like these are for dudes. So it's like I don't need those. Like goats don't give us male goats don't give us anything. We don't need that many of them. The buffaloes and the alpacas, at least, we still get good stuff from. Same thing with the sheep, although, honestly, we don't use sheep wool. We sell it. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Let's set this down to 2 as well. Set that to 2. We'll set that to 2. Set that to 2. I won't worry about the donkeys since they are hauler animals. Same with the dromedaries. Ibexes are fine, yaks are fine, horses are fine. We don't put any auto slaughter on our fighting animals. We do, however, want to put a 2 on this one. And that looks decent to me. Okay. Yeah, see, here's the thing. Like, there's 9 pregnant alpacas, and then there's 9 young female ones. Like, this is absolutely ludicrous. I probably should do these ones down as well, because we do not need that many. We'll allow 5 on that one, 5 on that one, because you at least give milk. We'll keep you at the 2, keep you at 2. They didn't put these ones in for the donkeys. Now the chickens and the ducks, I think, will leave because they do eggs, so I don't have a problem with having extras of those. However, the turkeys do not. Okay, that looks good. So that will give us a bunch more to slaughter, which will cut down on our demand for the food at least, because we've got a good freezer. It stays around for a while. If we can get that built, we can always throw some more meat at people too. Power is going to go out again. Ugh. Are we doing? Studying? Perfect. Is Linzar up and about? You are. Excellent. You're doing your warden duties first. Fair enough. How do I have this set up here real quick? Okay. Unsuspend that. Let's let you clean, since somebody is cooking. Alright. That's looking good. How are we doing, Lenzar? Okay, you're removing our roof for us. Peachy. Alright. 7 hours. I think what we might have to do is we might have to just accept these people and do pawn shopping. Now, we should have... Yeah, there's a shock lance. There's an insanity lance. Another insanity lance. Another shock lance. Okay, another shock lance. But you're in bed. I should have gotten you to dump your stuff. Rookie mistake. Alright. Alright, that's looking pretty decent. So, let's go ahead and let's accept our refugees here. Accept. Alrighty. So, we have 10 people. Hoi yoy yoy. This is probably the most people I've ever had in a colony, but then I haven't, you know, played that many things of RimWorld, so. We will need more beds, regardless of how many of these we keep, so let's go ahead and plunk a couple down. Let's do some shopping. Alright, what do we got? A Misandrus who's amazing at shooting at animals and intellectual. Who has a wake-up addiction, a bite scar, and a wooden foot. Oh, that does remind me. One thing I figured out from some testing is I actually want to put this as the default. So when new people come in, including prisoners and such, it immediately just sets them to no canny. That way we don't have to worry about whatever religion they come in as. Oh! They came in as us! Oh! Oh, that changes things. Okay. So, you are an excellent candidate for an animal specialist. What about Yadi? Steadfast, creepy breathing neurotic. A really high medical and social. Lulu. Well, I forgot to check health on Yadi. No health conditions. Let's go to our assign real quick and make sure we set these people all on that. Okay. That should all be good. We were looking at Yadi. 40 with no health conditions. Pretty good. The medical is very nice. The social kind of went... We've got some decent socials. Very neurotic. 55. Shooting animals artistic. With a scratch scar. On what? Torso? Ooh. Gourmand, very neurotic. You're 14. What are you doing here, kid? Okay, this person has a wooden foot. Slow learner, sanguine masochist. Oh, you're kind of terrible. Too smart pigskin with a 12 in artistic and an 11 in intellectual. What has Pineapple gotten to their art to? They've gotten their art to 12, actually. So this person's actually not any better than our current artist. Oh, a hussar. Oh, that could be spicy. A jogger tough hussar? Oh! That is tasty. With a wooden hand and a scratch scar. But... let's fix that up. How old are you? No, you're the wrong person. You're a genie. I'm not looking at you. Where did that hussar go? I'm failing a spot check. Baseliner, 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 baseliner. The pigskin, the hussar. Here we go. This is a really good pawn. Like, the only issue is that they are a hussar, which means they have a dependency on go juice. Which we are not currently producing any of, and we have kept selling all the ones we had. Hi, Windsor! Welcome in! We are pawn shopping. We had a quest where they're like, here you go, have 10 refugees. So, we are taking a look-see at them. This is a delightful pawn. They're kind of amazing. The only thing is they are a hussar, and I don't have any go juice, so that could get spicy. We have a genie. A jealous, misogynist, chemical fascination genie. With only a 13 in intellect. How about health? Well, no health conditions. You're 16. That's why your skills are so low. Okay. A bloodlust 38 with just social? But you're incapable of carrying with a wooden hand. A body modder with a scratch scar. Who's good at just basically artistic, medical, intellectual. Okay. So, Mullen is very interesting to me. Dominica is also very interesting. Lulu is also really nice. So, let's really quickly grab all you folks. Let's go to schedule. Let's get you all... Oh, I can get you to haul stuff actually on the way. Because your ideologian is ours. So, haul. What about you? Let's get you to haul the spear. Let's get you to haul the Ikawa. Let's get you We've got a knife here to hold the knife. We got you. Let's get the silver hauled. And then for you, I got those all being hauled. Any other down here we want to check for? Just double checking here. That's pretty close by. Someone else could get that. I'm micromanaging all that. And then all that. And all that. On our last one. All that. Okay. There we go. Should have all stuff to haul. So, what we can do is, if we want to... Where are you going? Somebody's going to a weird spot. Lulu? No. He's going to a weird spot. Who's the weirdie? Trying to follow the lines. Oh gosh. Mullen? Yes, you're the weirdo. Okay. Well, I mean, if you're going to go dig the steel, haul the steel instead. Oh, okay. There's our 5-minute warning on the ads. So let's get these folks in. Let's quickly check the work on here. I wish we could like drag down like we do in the other ones. I know there's one you can do like up in here, but when it comes to like this part, it's just kind of fiddly. No, we don't want anyone on hunting. Get out of there. Let's see. There. No one needs to be on childcare or doctoring. Get you off. You're terrible. Get you off. Honestly, most of these people I'm not going to want doctoring. You're the only one who's decent, but our doctors are so much better. So we're going to drop you down a little. Let's set bed rest down. See, this is why the clicking doesn't quite work. Because now everybody else is set to never bed rest. Like, no. No. Okay, that's all good. That's all good. Wardening. We don't really want any of our new people on the wardening. Get out. No thanks. Okay, that's settled. Handling. A 12 on Dominica. Lulu's at a 9. You're at a 4. Take you off. Take you off. And 5. Let's get you off. 7. Let's get you off. 9 is decent. I don't mind that. I didn't really notice like a whole lot of... Yeah, there's not a lot of good planters in this group, which is a bummer. A couple of good animals, though. Let's see. Got a couple more minutes. Mining, however, an additional miner is good. Let's check our growing again. Let's just take these off because you folks are terrible at these. All right. Mining, good. Growing, pretty decent. What do you guys? 3s? I mean, I could always use more growers. Let's go to smithing. No one is going to be as good at nether as this. Although we've got a couple that are decent. Let's get you folks procced up on the easier to do one. Take you off of art. We have an artist. Pineapple is our artist. Away with you. Away. Okay. Check our tailoring. Pineapple, we'll take that off. Lark Queen is not doing anything right now. Grilltick, it barely ever does any of that because they're a planter. Terrible. Terrible. decent. But I think I primarily want them on the smelting and such. That would be a really good help. Because we've got a lot of, I cannot word. Things to smelt from the last raid. So the sooner we can get that converted into steel, the better. Okay, for dark research, I wish I could sort by this icon here. Wrong button. Wrong button again. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, they all went to our default schedule, which was saved. So actually, I need to save this one, please and thank you. So for now, let's just copy our default schedule and paste that in for everybody, just so that they are the same. There. Okay. Now, back to work. Alright. Looking at this, we really don't want any of our new folks doing the void study, just in case. Take you off of that, take you off of that. There we go. But for research purposes, however, yeah, that's 8 and 6s. Those are all really good amounts. And if we can get them doing more of the standard research, then Striker can focus on the anomaly research more. Oh, that's our ads. So, okay, welcome back from the ads, folks. I will go ahead and switch us back here. All right. So, I was just thinking about the fact that, honestly, we should put more of these people on growing. Because even if they're not great at it, they can do the dandelions. And just having more people working on that, like, they don't need to cut the plants. They just need to plant them. Yeah. Yeah, they don't need to spectaculate them. They really don't. They just need to try. And honestly, I'm fine with that. Okay. Now, I was wondering about cook. Okay, we do have one person here who's a cook. Okay, they're only a 5, so the most they do is butchering. That's perfect, actually. Let's go ahead and bump that to a 2 then. And then gives them something else to work on. Constructing. Nobody. Literally, the highest they came in was a 3. I guess we'll put that on there because you could still do roofs. Yeah, you can still do roofs. Let's double check our doctoring. Yeah, I really don't want you doing that on much of anything other than feeding things. Yeah, let's take that off. Okay. I think that might be our priority set for the new folks. Now, one thing we did want to do is we want to double check their bios and we want to move around the ones we want to keep. Dominica, aside from some addictions, hold on, let me check this. Extended absence will force the brain to adapt back to its normal state, result in the addiction. Okay, that's a one you can just do. Alright, so if we get her off her addiction and replace her right leg, she would be peachy. Because she is actually delightful. Excellent shooting, awesome animals, good intellectual. This is another candidate for an animal specialist, which is delightful. So let's switch here. Hiya! Welcome in! Feel free. Appreciate the lurk. This is our Jogger Tough Hussar, which is like, I kind of really want you. I'm just concerned about the go juice requirement. But we do have a caravan out. We can see if she can purchase any. Could because that is an absolutely delightful pawn. Jogger tough with like the genetic improvements in both the shooting and the melee, and as medical and intellectual, like, be still my beating heart. Hi, Sponge! Welcome on in. We're doing pawn shopping. This person is kind of meh. Yeah. I'll show you since you just came in. So Dominica here is absolutely someone we are going to steal. That is a prime animal specialist. Right there. Like 8 shooting double passion, 12 double passion animals, and not an 18 with a 12. And a double passion and intellectual. 10 out of 10. And then Mullen here is a jogger tough hussar. So they have genetic improvements on their shooting and melee, and then they have a double passion in medical and intellectual. The only concern is I have no go juice. But we can see about changing that. Then we're looking at Yadi, who is steadfast, creepy breathing, and neurotic. Now, they have a 9 in medical and a 13 in social, which is, you know, decent, but the traits are kind of meh. So they're not really one I'd be super interested in. Then we've got our genie here, who is kind of hilarious. They're a misogynist, jealous, chemical fascination pawn with a double passion in animals that they're genetically bad at. The Mullen must become Mullet. Well, I'll be up to whoever wins the raffle. Oh, 40k mods. Interesting. Oh, yeah, I can imagine vehicles would be very tricky in this. Oh, did I lose my captions again? I lost my captions. Testing? Oh, she borked up. Good. Ah, there we go. There we go. It's back. Yay. I am looking at a new captioning plugin, but it's taking a little bit to test it to figure out the best way to set it up. So, apologies for any moments when this caption one just goes, I don't want to work anymore. Yeah, I imagine some of those mods are like almost a full-on DLC in there. So this genie is kind of ridiculous in the sense of I don't think I want this pawn other than maybe just to have a collection of all the xenotypes. Because it's like, yeah, 11 crafting, but 8 of that is just because you're a genie. And 8 of that is just because you're a genie. And then you've got a double passion in animals, but you're genetically bad at animals, so it's only a 5. So it's like, I kind of just want to collect them. I don't really want to, like, keep them as a pawn, if that makes sense. So let's check out Petey, who is a 14-year-old. I think I have it researched, but I don't have it built yet. But I'm looking to get one. A gourmand, very neurotic, who's just kind of good at cooking. No health problems, so... Yeah, exactly. They can live, for now. This is a possibility. Like, they could grow up to be a decent pawn, because we do need another cook. We're working on OSHA cooking. But another cook would be helpful. And they do have passions in both melee and shooting. They're just really young. And gourmand kind of sucks. But that's also why they're good at cooking. So this one's a little doable, maybe, but I would not be all that fussed if they don't actually become one of our friends. Now, this person here is a bloodlust pawn with a little bit of passion, shooting, and melee. We got some mining and 8 in social with a wooden hand. I don't know, they're a little underwhelming. Better than Yadi, but they're a little underwhelming. Then we've got Aonima here, who's a body modder with some shooting, artistic. Now we have a better artist, some medical and some intellectual, and a right foot scar. So that is replaceable, and they are body modders, so they would like that. Honestly, we should probably queue up I bet you it's this one, and this one's busted. Yeah, this one's busted. We could just straight up give them like a wooden foot, like right now, like, because it's just on their bite scar. Yeah, honestly, let's just do that right now while we're thinking of it. Right foot, right foot. We'll just straight up give them a wooden foot because they're a body model. That'll make them happy. So they're again decent, but like nothing to specifically write home about. I think. I think I like you more than Petey. Because you'll be easier to please. Gourmand is always a hassle, but very neurotic does increase your work speed. And we're doing pretty good on mood. Like, honestly, this person is just cranky because they literally just came in and they're like, I hate everything because I showed up at night. So between them, I think this might be a more useful pawn, but this is a less problematic pawn. Then we're on Lulu, who is very neurotic with 10 in shooting and 9 in animals. A 9 in artistic, which will probably go away, that's fine, and a 6 in intellectual. This is another absolutely delightful one. Now, they have a scratch scar on their torso, which does make them a little less interesting. Let's see. But I would say a possibility, because that's decent stats for another animal specialist. And then we got Paolo, who's too smart, but just as artist and intellectual, and we already have Pineapple. I don't need this. Then we have a slow learner, sanguine masochist, which is a set of traits to say in a sentence. Who has a wooden foot already. I'm not really interested in this pawn. So we've got 3 pawns that look like they'd be decent workers. At least 1 pawn for a collection. And then you 2. Let's kind of move up this way. So these 2 for sure we want to keep. The Lulu one is also very nice. Now I don't know if the global work speed on the neurotic, I don't know if that helps much when she's doing animal stuff. I know it helps for like crafting, cooking, and that kind of stuff. But I don't know if it actually affects animal like training or any of that. So maybe she'd be faster at training things. Who knows? That's not one I'm familiar with all the things that it affects. And then Aomina. Lulu's bad. Yeah, they'll be renamed. They'll be renamed. Don't worry about that. Then Aonima here is an excellent pawn, if we can. And then Gourmand, very neurotic, is not great, but will be an excellent second cook. Okay, so I think we've got our people sorted. And let's let these folks come in. There we go. Now, let's let them actually like work for a bit before we go about collecting them, so to speak. Oh, I didn't check if they had any relationships. It didn't say there was any. Friend with Lurk Queen, because Lurk Queen is pretty and joyous. Friends. Arrival with Yada. Oh, that's an interesting thing. That would be a buff, technically. Rival with Dr. Shadows? Why? Oh, you're the Misandrous, aren't you? That's why. Then... Okay, yeah, there's no issues with any of the relationships currently, so that's good to know. Alrighty. What is Killer doing? Having a nap. Fair enough. Okay. Now, they will be here for 12 days. Some of them might actually offer to join us at the end of that 12 days. But not all of them will. So, very quickly, now that you folks are in, let's go to gosh. The schedule. What? They're all messed up now, of course. Our new folks. Let's set them all to be inside for now. Nope, not you. There. Now one of these folks was a miner. Let's just check real quick which one that is. Chell. Or Cele, depending on your pronunciation. Or was I doing this? Yes, this. So we will let you be unrestricted for now. The rest we will keep inside, so that way, if something does happen, we know right where they are, and they're not, you know, all across Half Hills Acre and back. Now, let's see. We've got Killer on a nighttime schedule, so I like Chell, our other miner, being on a reverse schedule. Minika is animals. Let's grab our nighttime schedule and let's separate out these folks a little. And we want Chell on that. We'll put Yadi here and Paolo there. That kind of looks even. Alright. Okay, where did Lenzar go? Hauling more wood to the bench. Perfect. Alright, so now that they're in, they should start doing hauling and start doing all that other fun stuff for us, all the planting and that. Please finish this bed first, because we need like a lot of beds. Oh, a masterwork. Very nice. Well, let's give that to someone else other than our brand new people. Ooh. Let's give it to Lenzar, because they are our leader. And then we can move Kelt over here. If I can spy them. There they are. Alright. So that puts the vast majority of our folks over here. We're gonna need another spiral, is the problem. Okay. Well, we do have a bit more space here now. So, if we could turn some of this into like a dining area. What if we... we're gonna need more seats, honestly. So let's cancel this. I know. And we'll put floors down to here. Like so. Now, let's go ahead and do it back this way. So if we reinstall this here, and then we reinstall... Oh, that chest table's terrible, comparatively speaking. Put that there. Put that there. And then that there. And you there. You there. Okay, so we'll need to just shrink a little bit here and add a little bit more floor in there. Okay. And then, is that all the chairs? No, we're still missing this one. Here. Okay. I think that's all that. So, let you folks work on that. Feel free, Lenzar, to have yourself a little snack. And that will give us some more room for another spiral. So let's get rid of this sleeping spot. Let's put another wood floor in there. Okay. What did Lenzar go off to do? Oh, nothing yet. You're eating. Perfect. Okay, let's get you to move this chair and the chest table and this chair while nobody's in them. Perfect. Alright. Our power's starting to do a little bit better. The wind picked up some, which is nice. Alright. Chell, can you clean this, please? Oh, are you our miner? Hang on. Did I get the wrong person? Yeah, I did get the wrong person. Okay, hold on. Schedule? Ah, I did the right. Inside. Chell. There we go. Okay. Get that stuff moved. Petey, if you could put this away, please and thank you. And then give this a clean, please. Thank you. Alright. Now, let's get the chairs. Alright. And then we'll want another piece of floor here. Oh, it's already one there. Perfect. This will need to be deconstructed. And we're going to need to shrink this here. And we'll need another piece of wood floor. Alright. So, work on that dining chair. Perfect. Alright, perfect. Then let's get this table moved. Alright. Awesome. And they're doing great. They're already popping in and they're already working on our floors and such. Let's get this last chair moved. And then we will get Lenzar to start working on some of this flooring here. If we deconstruct that, it'll give us some of our wood. Now, we can remove this bit of floor as well. Alrighty. How's Aya doing? Oh, almost there. Yeah, specifically go and trade with them right off. So as soon as you arrive, it'll just go straight to that. Alright. Then remove the floor, please. And work on this. Thank you. So now this can be expanded to here. So we're going to need another nightstand. We're going to need some more beds. Boop, boop, and boop. So let's go ahead and get you to do that. As you should bring a whole lot more wood over. Okay. Looking good, looking good. So we are on 118. Perfect. Getting stuff in. How is Shadows doing? You went to sleep. Fair enough, bud. Alright, good, good. Oh, we're missing a component. That's why that one won't work. Fortunately, we don't have fabrication yet, so nobody can make those. Close. Okay. Lenzar, how we doing? You switched to doing that kind of stuff. Fair enough. No, I need you on these beds. Right. And there. Alright, let's get the, oh, I guess finish the floor? Yeah, you brought enough of that floor. Perfect. Work on the bed. The animal screaming is kind of terrible, I'm sorry. Alright, we can, shrink some of this, because they have actually done some of this hauling for us. And that looks good there. Okay. Alright, some of our folks who are off schedule are finally getting into their beds. Oh, we made an excellent table. Very nice job, Lenzar. Alright. Oh, another master work bed. Well, that's going to belong to somebody else then. Clerk, Queen, Lenzar. Who's also... Captain. Let's give this one to Captain. There. Alright, perfect. Let's get that floor done. That'll be great. Alrighty. There's a couple of things I've wondered about. I know that there's a mod that makes it so you can grow anything in hydroponics, which I do wonder about using for hay. Because we could really use the hay. The other thing I've wondered about is maybe if I can find a mod that lets me just make kibble from meat. Alright, that's another masterwork bed. So we will switch this. Hold on. Is it pineapple, I think? Yeah, pineapple. We will switch you to a better bed. Upgrades for pineapple! There we go. Alright, and then we're gonna need some more chairs. So, Lenzar, after you're doing that, let's get this chair. There we go. How is Shadows doing? Alright, we are gonna need to make sure on our food policies here that we make sure they can eat the survival meals. Yes. There. Otherwise, they're not gonna have any food. There. Alright. Perfect. That looks great. Striker. Oh no, better. Shell. Speaking of, where is Killer? Off trying to do more damage. After you've done that, haul. And then haul some more. Alright. Let's go back to here. Really like that eclipse to be over soon. Okay, that's looking great. Good, good, good. Okay. Shadows is resting. Fair enough, bud. Alright. Aya is sleeping, which is a bummer. She was really close to actually getting to that spot, but oh well. Ice time does that. Yoink. Okay. Lenzar, how are we doing? I need you to finish all this flooring, please. Ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. There we go. Perfect. We also got an excellent chair out of that, so that's very nice. And then work on this after you do that. Okay. Alright, look at that. We started doing our butchering and we already filled up these shelves. We're gonna need more shelves. Story of my life in this run. Ugh. Alright. Captain, let's... Nope, don't. No configured spot? Oh, those spaces must be, spoken for. Okay, we'll have to do this. And like that. And here. And there. There we go. Don't stop eating them. I don't want you to eat them. I just want you to move them. I'm sorry. I clicked clicking the wrong button. We need to cook them first. They need to be, dry cured, you know. It's not enough for it to just, be sandwich meat. You have to, you know, treat it first. Alright, how are we doing on our animals? Of course we are. How are you doing on that, bud? Can I get you up and cooking yet? I can. Clean. Oh, inspired recruitment. Ooh. We can get this planter up and running. Okay. How's your health? You're still healing. Let's switch to recruiting you. And that'll be awesome. Okay, yeah, you're not assigned to doctoring, but are you assigned on wardening? No. There. Alright, so once you wake up, we can tell Nether to do that, and that'll get us the other person. Now, how many... Alright, we still don't have enough beds. Now, Lurk Queen, we can actually ditch the bed for a bit here. So let's switch Lurk Queen's bed to Kelt. And then we can assign Anamina's. And is there anybody else? Still a couple more. Let's assign Mullen. And that's all of the beds assigned. Okay. Can we fit another spiral in here without it being totally weird? Probably not. Fair enough. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really see a way we can fix that. I do, however, notice that we need... oh my gosh. I picked, like, the worst spot to grab that. We need another light. There. Yeah. So how many people don't have beds, I guess is the question. I don't want to see those. 12 beds. And then some of these are doubles. Okay. So, if we go to the assign, Lurk Queen is off on purpose. We're missing 2 beds. Okay. Honestly, we could put one there. And then let's just, like, yeah, throw one, like, here. Just quick little plunk downs, just long enough that these folks have somewheres to sleep in the meantime till we figure out exactly how we're going to recruit some of these. So they're going to be here for 12 days. But if we decide that we're going to pre-recruit some of them, then they might be here for less time. Now, Lenzar, I know you think the roof is really important, and you're not wrong, but I really need you to build these beds and such first. Alright. Let's clean this. There we go. Okay, so unfortunately, we'll have to wait a little bit on Gazelle, just because OSHA did interact with them recently. But our friends are helping us get our stuff done up. So we're getting our things planted, which is awesome. How is Killer doing? Gonna go eat. Perfectly fair. After you're done eating, go haul some more steel. How is Chell? Sleeping? Perfect. Okay. So, the things we have to watch out for is, 1, they could betray us. Fair enough, goat. Fair enough. Oh, that's another thing we should do. Actually, on this, let's get... the folks on here, let's get you hauling and cleaning. Like, a little bit more. That would be a great use of their time. If they don't have anything else to do, haul and clean. Like, let's bump that up. For sure. There we go. That looks good. Okay. Very nice. Okay. How is Lenzar doing here? Okay, carrot and some wood. Perfect. Alrighty. Can't wait for Aya to wake up because she's just like... She's so close. Go back to Lenzar. Alright. No, I really need you to... What are you doing? Dominica, heal. You. Again. Let's do this. There. Another masterwork. Okay, let's see. Celt. Is all of our people our own people in at least masterwork? For the singles. We are. Okay, fair enough. And then... oh gosh. Yeah. Shadows, are you up? What are you doing? Cooking meals. Perfect. Alright. Let's reset you. Kibble. Perfect. Alright. And... Yeah, we really need Shadows to get on those meals. Yeah, you're cleaning. That's perfect. Lenzar, let's get you doing this. There. Oh boy! Just what I needed. Well, I've got so many more pawns. Dropped in right on top of you? A drop pod Itakeen raid. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, this is gonna be spicy. Okay. This is kind of terrible. So as far as I can tell, they're literally dropping in on my freezer. So this is gonna be ridiculous. Now, I want to keep you. Let's get you out of dodge. I want to keep you. Let's get you out of dodge. Which one are you again? Honestly, a pretty good pawn. Let's keep you. Get you out of dodge. Where are you? Down there? Okay, let's get you this way. Kelt, I want you up here. Lenzar. Danbot, get up. Move you here. Alright, Captain, let's get you up. Oh boy. Pineapple, I see you are eating a snack. Excellent. What about you? Oh, you got missed. You are the genie I kind of want to keep alive. Let's move you up that way. Anaminia, you're the body modder. So let's get you up this way. Okay, we might be able to use this to reduce some of our mouths. Which sounds terrible, but I am not going to look a gift horse in the mouth, so to speak. Osha, let's get you out this way. Krilltech, let's get you over here. Shadows, let's get you here. Oh, this is gonna be spicy. You are nowhere near where you need to be, sir. You're so far away. Oh gosh. Petey, buddy, your host. If they're dropping in here, yeah, I can see the shadow. The Petey's just dead. I don't think there's anything I'm gonna be able to do about that. But here, let's draft you anyways, so at least you have a fighting chance. Striker, I need you out now. Get out of there. You are important. You need to come here. I need you there. Okay, Lenzar is currently building a bed. You're right there. Killer is a bit far off. But you are bringing in steel. So let's keep an eye on you. This is going to be so spicy, but I'm going to drop a save before this goes down. Now, one other thing. Let's get our animals based on masters. Yeah. It can't be! Welcome in, Brony. We've got an Itakeen drop pod raid. Which is apparently showing up on top of our freezer. Which I don't know why a group of raiders... I'm a born and bred safe scummer. We want the dogs out of dodge. However, Captain, let's get Dave and the Rhino to help you. That one should be set to training. And I think that's it. Yeah, let's set some of our pet animals to... Oh gosh, Pet Roam is so busted. Crud. Ugh, I need to make like a panic zone, unfortunately, for the animals, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get that sorted. And where we need them to go based on the panic is going to change, so. Yep. Oh, look! Lenzar made a masterwork bed in the middle of all this. But let's get you drafted. So, Striker, here. Shadows, here. Mullen, I'm getting you out of the way. Dominica, I'm getting you out of the way. Captain, let's get you over here. Pineapple, you're coming over here. Alright. Oh boy. Alright. Petey, I do not have high hopes for your survival rate, but you can be a distraction. Okay. How's everybody doing here? Let's get these folks lined up a little better this way. Okay. There they come! Oh no! Oh, let's get you there. Petey just stand in the door. No one wants to go in there, I guess. Fair enough. Krilltip, come here. How is... Oh no! Okay, good. You're not going in... How are you... Your zone is weird and we're getting problems from that. I am not losing another dog. I refuse. That is unacceptable. We've had enough of puppy murderers. There will be no more. There. Right. Like so. Okay. Let's give you access, actually, to the hospital. Because the dogs, I think, might be trained to rescue, and that might be a good use of their time. Okay. Now, we're just about to get these doors open. Dog. Dog. I'm switching you to a different zone because you're going to be a pill. In fact, let's do that for all the dogs. Let's go by name. Huskies. Get you all outside. Honestly, let's do the same thing with these. Get you all outside. Let's get you out. No, you're healing. Let's leave them. Okay. Alright. Okay. Should hopefully fix the dog. Alright, let's go a quick look. Unwaveringly loyal. Fair enough. Delicate. Undergrounder tough. But you're an Itakeen who likes plants. That's weird. Pyromaniac delicate. Chemical interest. Is it just the 6? 6. Is there another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Ah, I miscounted. That doesn't seem like the... Oh, the boars. Those aren't our boars. Those aren't corpses. Okay. Let's double check this again. Staggeringly ugly. You're delicate. Underground are tough. You're not terrible, actually. So let's see if we can do a shock lance on Shalot here. Yeah, let's do that. Get that dog out of there. Good. Go there. Go there. Then go there. Go. Here. Come here. Yep, fine, fine. That's fine. I expected that to happen. Come here. Where's Killer? Killer? Still en route. Okay, OSHA's good and over here. Back to what we're doing. Captain, go here. Paolo, what is it? Is it Chell that's holding that spot? It's Chell that's holding that spot. Paolo, go here. Okay, perfect. Alright. What was it? Which one was it again? Shellot. Okay, who's got our shock lance? Shock lance. Why can't you see this person? Too far over? Shock lance, shock lance. Okay, let's, I guess, grab Kelt, move you up, and then Pineapple can go up a little. Not my shelves! Come on, up. Let's go. Shock lance, Shellot, please. Up. Alright. Shell, go here. Oh, you better not break my power cell. Oh. Okay, we broke them. That's awesome. Now, let's actually turn off fire at will. Now, Chell, you are a bit expendable, so let's send you in. You are also a bit expendable. Let's send you in. Let's go. Melee attack. Perfectly fine. Okay. Whoops. Look at that! Our freezer's bursting again, but this time it's not our fault. How did our roof make out? Oof. I need to get that roof just quick as soon as this is sorted. Let's see. Let's turn this one into a medical. Yep. Fight, fight, fight. Okay, there's Yachty down. Next. Kicking these out. Let's go ahead and give you a quick little strip here so we don't lose whatever stuff you put on. Alright. Oh look, our eclipse is ending. Peachy. We can actually take those animals back off of following on draft. There we go. Pineapple. Let's actually let you just, go do what you're doing. All this. Steel Club allow. Bye! We'll undraft you. All that. Killer. Allow these two things. Killer, haul that. Alright. You two, I should be able to undraft. You two, I can also undraft. And I can undraft you. Alright. Sorry, coughing. Okay, let's see how everybody's doing. I kind of can't see anything because of the rhino. Very quickly, Dr. Shadows. How are you doing? Death in 5 hours. Oh no. Anyways. Let's allow this to be hauled. So, Lenzar. I am gonna need you on standby because I want that roof built like right away. Striker. I'm gonna want you in here. We're pretty close by because you're gonna need to rescue our friend that we actually want to make. Shadows, let's put you over here, and Krilltic here. Alright. Danbot, let's go ahead and let you loose, but we'll get you to clean here. Alright. Okay, looks like we are now at the point that it's just Chell. Okay, it's us now. Alright, so let's put Lenzar back over here. Striker, let's get you back here. And then we will set you folks back to fire at will. Bye-bye! Alright, that should be all of them downed. So, let's very quickly do a quick little strip on this person. Also, let's go in here and let's quickly allow everything. Alright. There are a whole lot of people in here. Let's see. So, Striker, I want you to capture Shalot. Lenzar, I want... Okay, fine. I guess you can have a snack first. Yeah, you won't do any hauling or cleaning. Shadows. Are you stripping? You're doing a strip. Where is... Paulo is crawling. Yadi is crawling. It's already set to be stripped. Rachel is crawling. And then Chill. Okay, so Shadows, let's get you to strip Chill. There. Alright. And who is left? Stripello. Alright. Danbot. I want Danbot. Or Captain. Is it Captain? It's Captain. My bad. Captain. Who are you? I'm gonna bleed to death in chemical interest, though, and that is a delightful set of animals. Honestly, sure. Let's, where's capture? Oh. It did weird things, because beds. Give me Captain. I don't care about the one lying on the ground. I will now capture. Alright. Perfect. Alright. Oh, Rachel got up. Sort of. Sad face. Okay. Delgado. Are you... Let's get you to haul this chunk out, please. And then let's get you to haul this chunk out. How are we doing? I need you to... why do you still have stuff on? Why can't I take that off? Weird. Okay, and let's undraft you. And, come on, Dr. Shadows. Let's get you, yeah, hauling the axe. So we can get you back your kitchen. Haul the packaged survival meal, please. Alrighty. In the meanwhile, Nether just makes a corset. Oh, my captions died again. Okay. And we're just about... There we go. Testing? Perfect. Alright, sorry about that. Didn't notice when the captions died. But we are just about done with this raid cleaning up. So... Who's down? Honestly? Let's set you to just doctor care. And not use any medicine on you. Let's also set you to nothing. There. Alright, let's quickly just kind of drop a couple medical beds in here. What do we have? 4 down? Okay. There. So then they can rescue them the other direction. Perfect. Alright, Lenzar. I want this person out of this bed, actually. Yeah. Then you can, clean. Because this is going to be a mess. And if you're going to be doing any cooking, bud, you got to clean this first. All right, Captain, how are we doing here? Undraft. All right, we got our 2 Itakeen friends. Let's set this to a medical bed. Alrighty. You are very hungry, however, we could use a little bit of assistance. Rescue, chill. Here we go, our trade. Okay, how are we doing on that? Like 2 minutes? 3 minutes, okay. Okay, that was fun. Let's see here. Oh, they've got caribou and a Labrador retriever. Oh no. Okay, sell the buffalo wool. We'll sell all the eggs. We can sell all the berries. Because she's got pemmican to eat. We can sell the long sword, sell the short bows. We've got the corsets we can sell. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. And keep your bedroll. Okay. Let's see. Well, other than the fact that we can just get a pair of caribous. That's delightful. I'm so tempted about the dog, but honestly, without a pair, I don't think it's worth it. We can sell the sheep wool. Now, components, please and thank you. Advanced components as well. We know our ABCs. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's my 3 o'clock. So let's see if we can finish off this trade, and then I will take a little break. Oh, we got some skill trainers and plants we could grab. Ooh. Archotech Eye? Oh. That is actually really tempting. Yeah. Because I don't think any of the clothes is going to be good. Yeah, no, like shield belt normal, we can totally make better than that. Because Nether is just a clothing making machine. A low shield pack is very tempting though. That would be very nice. That could have been a huge help with that mech raid. Anything else we could sell? Not really, that's fair. Honestly, we're still making a profit with what we've got. Oh, we could get a barrel. I would really like to get some mortars up. This looks like a pretty good trade to me. Ooh, we could get a turret pack. Oh, I like these people. Now we have EMP grenades, so we don't need those. How are we doing on that ad? Okay, still a minute. Honestly... Oh, yes. Do they have Go Juice? I don't think so. I see Nutrimine. I see beer. I think I saw Psyche tea. Sort by category. Oh yeah, I don't think they have any Go Juice, unfortunate. So we're still stuck a little bit on our Hussar. We get a couple Psyche tea though. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and switch here because we appreciate however you can support the stream. If you don't have the means necessarily for subs, then your eyeballs are still appreciated while you watch some ads. So we take a little pause, do some maybe busy work, go over our checklist and such while the ads are running, so that folks who are supporting with eyeballs don't miss out on anything. Alrighty. Welcome back. Hey, we just finished our trade with Aya, and she's on her way back. We did get a set of caribous. Now, I am going to stipulate that let's wait until we get the caribous back on base to count them for the pairs. Because something could happen while we're out. But she does have a lot of animals on her. Alright. on. Let's just double check here. Okay, you're still set to. Alright, we do need to strip you. How are we doing here? Doing great. Ah, Paolo got up. That's the problem. Who put on the mask? What the? Is that Kriltic? You put on the Bioferret mask? Okay, bud. You weirdo. I was very confused for a second there. We are going to rescue Paolo. Thank you. Keep cleaning. Perfect. Now. No. We are not going to have Striker tend them. Instead, hey Striker, come over here and rescue this other person. Okay. Clean. Now rescue. There. Perfect. Oh no, a medical emergency with Petey. Whatever shall we do? I guess we must rescue him, quote, quote. Alright. Okay, Kriltic. Let's get you to clean the hospital. Alright. Perfect. No, sir. Oh, good. You're going to a table. That's fine. Alright. Thought you were gonna just eat while you were standing there like a weirdo. Let's see. Are you just dead? Yeah, you're just dead. Danbot, we really need... we need a lot. Let's get you to haul this kibble. Where did Lenzar go? Did you go to deal with the other roof? No, you just went to bed. Okay, how is our roof? Because we need this built stat. Because right now, our thing is not actually closed in. Which is a problem. Alright, was there a minor break risk? Oh no! What? Why? You know what, hun? Go have a beer. Yeah, just you know, drink about it. You'll be fine. I need to take that off of the apparel policies because that's a little weird that they're just wearing that. Ritual mask. Take that off, please. Thank you. I don't want that getting beat up. Let's get you over here to clean. Lenzar, I need this roof, sir. And or madam. Build the roof. Build. And then roof. And then roof. Get that out of the door. And then Lenzar, more roof. More roof. See, it's weird how sometimes it won't let you, like, select some of the roof to do. It's like, why can't I tell them to make the roof there? Like, why does it have to be here? And roof. And then roof. Nope, roof. Alright. Oh, great. A couple of people are now no longer incapable of walking. Ah, you tended them. Drat. Just pay attention to the roof. Stop it. Get over here. Rest until healed. Stop it. I'm gonna block this off. There. There we go. Alright. Then, once you are out and through there, disallow. There. Clean this room. Now, let this be medical. Where are you going? You're going this way? No. No. There. That'll work. Ha! You can't get there anymore. No tending allowed. Wahaha! What about you? Oh, is that a boar? That's a boar. Okay. Hey! Dang it. I missed one. I can't count. Let's uninstall that. Danbot, can you go clean here instead? Alright, where did Lenzar go? To bed? Alright, uninstall this. Captain, I need you to rescue this person. There we go. Oh. Okay. Refugee died. Anger. Alright. They're appalled, but they're not taking action yet. Okay. Good to know. So, let's actually get these folks sorted here. Let's install here. Striker. Where are you? Everything is so small. Clean in here. Tend to... Which one is it that I want to keep for sure? Honestly, you're a really good animal specialist. And so are you. How are we doing? No immediate danger? 2 hours. Alright, Striker. Yes. Tend this person. And then Captain. Let's get you to clean. Now, since we might start running into issues where the other ones die, let's get our friends here a new spot. Can I get you to take off their stuff? Why won't you let me take off your stuff? Fine, it's awful. I don't care. Okay. Alright, let's quickly do a new zone in here. We'll delete this one later, but let's just call it in here. Very specifically, let's put them in here. Alright, and then let's go to our work area, our schedule, excuse me, and let's set those folks on that area, as well as you. Okay. Yeah. There. Okay. Now, that should get all of them moving in there, which is perfect. So actually, they can do the cleaning. So let's get... this stuff hauled out, because we need the space from the chunks to do this stuff. Clean. Alright. I do need you folks to kind of haul some of this stuff, please, and thank you. Haul. Alright. So that will get our new folks quickly in there to quarantine. Now, where did that other bed go? Got moved to here. Now, this is a good bed, so we will reinstall it in here. like so. This is excellent. Who's currently being used by another person, so we'll put this in here. Actually, let's switch these around. Like so. And you, like so. Alright. Alright, perfect. Pineapple, let's get you up. Apologies. But let's get you up and start working on those beds, please, and thank you. Perfect. Yep. And then work on this one. Now, where did OSHA go? What is Krilltic doing? Let's deprioritize that. And let's get you to work on this bed. Perfect. Alrighty. On our tending. Nope. Pineapple, what are you doing? I want you to put it here. Alright. Perfect, perfect. Alright. How many folks are in here that are ours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. And then we need to reinstall this one here. People are in the way is the problem. Deliver the bed, please. I know, people keep walking in and out of the spot. Good, get out of my way. Thank you. Alright. One more bed. Some masterwork. Excellent. Reinstall. Pineapple? Do that, please. And Shankor. Alright. Now, let's... Unfortunately, I hate to do this, Lenzar, but I really need these shelves. Rebuilt. Oh, and then that needs to be repaired. Alright. So, that's 5 free beds for 5... 6 humans. Okay, I need one more. Oh no, OSHA's in here. You're fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Speaking of, where is Nether? There you are. When? Oh, hang on. Ah. Darn. Can I... Did this already do it too early? Right, I thought I caught it. Nope. Do it recently. Sad face. One more bed. There's another excellent. Right. Osha. Please do. Alrighty. And what happened to our other downed person? Downed and unconscious. Oh, you started like crawling through here. Rescue. Okay. Nope. Not that one. Try that again. Okay. Let's reinstall this bed here to a better spiral. So let's get this boar out of the way. We're gonna have to mess with our zone again. Ugh. Black. Oh, we have so much stuff. Clean after that. Alright, how are we doing here? Captain is dropping people off. I don't need this one anymore. Perfect. So now, let's actually just deconstruct these. Let's let Captain out. And then, bye! Alright. Let's see how that goes. This is another spot for a set of spirals. So let's plunk that down there. That should be good. Okay. So they are all literally in the prison. They're very upset about the traveler died. They're probably going to get more upset as time goes on. Okay. How many of these can we arrest at the same time? Let's get these repaired. And then Captain, can you haul this out yet? No. Because we have issues with our zone again. Oy, 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 oy. Bleh. And that helps us not at all. OSHA, haul this out first before you do any butchering, please. There's like no room. Right. Let's do this. Okay. So how many people can I get in here? Quite a few, honestly. Okay. So I want 5 people. And I'd want them to be decent socials. So, Lurk Queen's down. OSHA's an option. So, OSHA, how are we doing? Right. Once you've pulled that out, I'm actually going to draft you. They're break risk. Lulu? Okay, fair enough. Alright. Let's dump that there. And let's get you in here. Now, let's go next to our next highest social is Lenzar. So let's get you up and get you here. Then let's go here. Our next highest is Nether. Perfect. Let's get you up. And let's get you here. Then we've got Pineapple. Let's get you up and in here. And that should be 4, so we need 1 more. Killer, who is way the fuzzy over here again. Fair enough. Alright. Okay. It's just about everybody in here. Alright. Come on, another. Alright, how far off is Killer? Still pretty far afield. So really quickly, can you clean in here? No, so I will let you stand for a moment. Okay. That's nice. I'm a terrible person in RimWorld. Can you clean this fire foam, please? Thank you. Alright. Killer's just about here with the steel. And then we should be good. Okay. Did you clean and then cook, please? We can re-expand this. Okay. This could be spicy. So, yeah, most people are terrible. Oh, a quest for a structure. We can look at that in a minute. Let's see. Okay, Aya's over halfway here. Let's get Killer in. Right. And then here. Come on down. Let's see how well this goes. Why are you feeding a beer to the Thrumbos? Oh, bless. Okay, we're gonna need to, deconstruct their, sleeping spots. Like, I love you both very much. However, you need to go out and you need to eat. Zones. Yes, we had to fix our animal zones. You're good on fight outside. Fight outside. Let's put you guys on fight outside. Let's put you guys on pet inside. Pet roam, actually. And then you need to be on pet roam. And I have all of you on that as well. And pet roam. Alright. I should have that done right. Everybody's on a fighter or pet roam. So real quick, let's check the pet roam zone. Okay, yeah, we did do some fixes on that, so that is peachy. Perfect. Let's check the fight outside one. Okay, that one we actually updated. Let's just add in that little bit there. Okay, this can be removed. So that's built in now. Boop, boop, burp. Okay. Perfect. And I don't want them in here. Like so. Okay, that should be those zones all sorted. Alright. Killer's just about here. Okay. Let's let the door close. Clean. I don't want you in there yet. Okay, let's go ahead and capture our friends. So, what is the closest one to you? So, you arrest Dominica. You arrest Lulu. You arrest Delgado. You arrest Mullen. And then OSHA. No, hold on. Do I have the wrong number of people? I might have the wrong number of people. Hold on. Am I missing someone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I not count? Reserved by Killer. Reserved by Lenzar. Let's select all of you. There's 6 in here. Where am I messing up my number? What is going on here? There should be only 5. Who's the other person I'm seeing in here? I'm so confused. Mullen. Delgado. Dominica. Lulu. And Amia. Something isn't mathing. That's not a bedroom. This is, our prison. We want them to stay a while. To stay forever. Yeah, these are refugees that we are keeping. And I cannot math. What am I doing wrong here? Something is off. And I feel dumb. And then I'm reminding myself that I have a migraine. Oh, the bedroom we use daylilies. We just had an Eat to Keen drop pod raid in our freezer, so don't mind the mess. Who are you even? You never got stripped. You're from the last raid. Whoops. Yeah. Strip all of these, please. I feel like I am miscalculating somehow. Okay, no, maybe that's all of them, and it's just my brain playing tricks on me. Stranger things have happened. Okay, I think we just let this run and see what happens now. Ah! You're arrested, Mullen. Not willing to accept this and have decided to leave, but they won't leave. They will stay a while. Stay forever! Oh no, I failed the quest. Boop. And done? Done? Done. Awesome. Honestly, they should have been a bit more specific when I was just like, hey, come stay in this one tiny area that is also our prison. No reason. So, okay, we did actually end up with an extra bed. I did miscount somewhere. It happens. Let's haul that wake up out. You won't actually haul. It's fair. Now you are in the middle of trying to be recruited. Let's go ahead and get you to feed them. Okay. There we go. Yeah, you can do your tend. Beautiful. Killer, if you actually could get these weapons out of here, like stat, that'd be great. Because I don't like the fact that, you know, they just dumped all their weapons in there. Let's fix that. Yeah, we'll move those out. Okay, and then we will clear that work and we'll get you to haul this one. Danbot, can you haul this one out, please? I need you, OSHA, to haul that out. I will immediately clear your stuff because it's fine if it's here. I just want it out. And then Killer. Get this one. There we go. And then the last little bit will be some of this silver. Thank you. Okay. We actually got all of the ones we wanted, so now we can take our pick. And they're already converted, so we don't even have to worry about that. So, this is our Hussar. They are delightful. We should set these folks to be stripped. It will anger Goddo? Oh. Wait, hell, is that just the... That's just the faction that they made from the refugee group. Oh, Dominica was their speaker. Interesting. Well, I kind of don't care if they are all, Oh, interesting. You actually count as ours? Why do you count as ours? That's fascinating. So, can I just... Can I just release you? Huh. That seems odd. But I guess let's give it a try. It says they're actually from our faction, so... Let's try releasing them? Yeah, okay, they're just ours. Dope. That's awesome. Okay. Welcome to the team. Let's do that. Perfect. And let's get you to haul this out in the technicality of, I'm gonna eat it, never mind. There. That works. Okay, perfect. Cool. Honestly, that worked out pretty good. So, we can take out 2 of these beds. And let's... Actually, if we reinstall these here first, that'll finish our line and my OCD will be happy. Okay, let's go here to our Hussar friend that we just picked up. Now, you are absolutely excellent at shooting in melee, and also some medical and some intellectual. So you are delightful. Let's set you just like on a 4 for doctoring. And yeah, I like the 2s on the hauling and cleaning. Maybe put the 1 on the research, actually. Let's do that. All right. And then we should have an assault rifle for you. There we go. Okay. Alright, OSHA's slowly making her way through all of our things that need to be butchered. So much stuff. Alright. So, an on-map trader or a comms trader would be absolutely excellent right now. Oh yes, that's right. Our eclipse is done, so we can turn these back on. Speaking of, how is our roofing looking? Weird, but fine. Let's go ahead and put back this bit. Well, I mean, everybody can be a sandwich. That's how they can contribute. There. Okay. That looks good. And we've still got roof on this, so we can reconnect this one. And we can reconnect this one. Okay. There we go. How are our Thrumbo friends doing? They're doing a-okay. How you doing? I'm doing okay. You got fed a beer there at one point. Okay. Is anyone awake and functioning to... What are you doing? Oh, studying. I read that too fast. I thought I was slaughtering the metal horror. I'm like, no, excuse me. What? No, thank you. Alrighty. Our animals are munching on some of our corpses, as they do. But the point of this colony and the ridiculousness that it is oh good, these are dying. That we are trying to collect 2 of every animal. That's what our counter is in the top right. Is how many pairs of animals we have gotten thus far. So we've got another pair on its way back from our caravan with Aya. She's got a set of caribous for us. Yeah, we have 17 full pairs. So that means we specifically have a male and a female of it. We have a couple of ones that we have on ice because we don't have a partner for them yet. So we have an Arctic wolf in here. And then we have sheep, our fennec fox that we started with. We have a couple of thrumbos that we have gotten tamed. And then we've got some other thrumbos that are ready to be tamed, including a fella, which would get us a pair. However, we have no vegetables. And nobody has any food with which to tame the thrumbos. So that's why they're just kind of vibing there, which is also why I specifically corral them to make sure that they are, you know, good. We want Kelt on the work area. You're good on that? Yeah, okay, that looks good. But we're running into some small problems with our animals and feeding them, just because we had a cold snap happen. So we lost out on a whole lot of planting time. Clean some fire foam, please. Also, someone tried to set fire to our things. Looking at you, Krilltick. So that's the mess of the fire foam. But hey, that's why we put fire foam in the fields. Because I had one time happen on my first playthrough where raiders got into my big grazing area and decided, hey, we're going to set fire to everything. And I'm like, or not. We could also go with not. And so we went with not. Now let's get that out of there. And then let's get you to haul this out so we have some more room to move these corpses out of the door. How is our freezer doing? Okay. It's getting back to the negative temperatures. That's good. Alright. Let's see. How are we doing there? Good. We'll get that out of there. So then let's get... Pineapple is eating a meal. Perfectly fine. Nether will not do any hauling because he's a production specialist. But once you are done eating Pineapple, let's get you to haul this boar out of the doorway. So we want to get our airlock reactivated for our freezer, which is absolutely ridiculous. And this is after we sent someone out for a trade. Let's see. Doing okay. Medical emergency on you. Is it just because you've got blood loss extreme? It is. After you do that, Pineapple, can you move these beds, please and thank you? Oh yes, how are we doing on these folks? We want to set you to reduce resistance, reduce resistance, reduce resistance, reduce resistance. My bad, I missed that. Alright, medicine is all set for these folks. Now, one of these folks is a genie, and I honestly just want to keep them for my collection, as terrible as that sounds. So, we're gonna do that. Get that out of the way. Perfect. Krilltic. Good, we can haul this, piece of sandwich meat into our freezer. Oh, is Aya gonna make it back before nighttime? Absolutely. Yes. Ha 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 ha! Alrighty, jump to location. And you are roping everything. Perfect. Alrighty. So, we now have them on map. That's our pair of caribous. We have a lady and we have a dude. So that is a new pair for our arc. If you can handle that, Pineapple. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Let's get this into a medical bed. Perfect. Yes. Alright. Awesome. Now, I kind of need... Oh gosh, we have no spots for clothing because of course we don't. I know what we can do. Let's turn this on so people can smelt some stuff. That'll help. Because we have a lot of clubs and such that can be smelted. Alrighty. But that's awesome. It's been a bit since we've gotten another pair. So I am very glad for that. Honestly, fine. And that's Aya coming on in. Perfect. Now, Shadows is not keeping ahead of our cooking, unfortunately. I don't like to do this, bud. I need you cooking now. I'm very sorry. Clear. We need to make sure this is nice and clean. Alright. How is Lenzar doing? You're done that, do this please. And then we'll get you to do that other shelf. Okay. Now, oh yes, I need to set you back to the better stuff. We are going to run into some issues with... We'll put you on ranged for now. We are going to have some issues with the go juice. We didn't get any at our last place. Now, Aya is back, dropping stuff off. She might be good in the morning to go out and do another trade. We've also got components. So, actually, if Lenzar, you could then, oh, is it because we don't have them unloaded yet? We probably haven't unloaded them. Yeah, there we go. Haven't unloaded them. Somebody please unload this. Never mind, I'll do it. Boop, boop. Burp, burp, burp. Okay. There we go. That looks good. Let's get... oh yeah, all of our spots are full. Oof. Alright, there we go. We do have a component. It's right here. Can you do this now? Yes, you can. There we go. Just had to wait for it to register that it existed. Fair enough. Alrighty. Ah, Gazelle is healed. Can Nether talk to this person yet? Too recently. Fair enough. Alrighty. Most of the mods that we have are just kind of quality of life such. Like for example, we have a mod that gives us more variety in our packaged survival meals because we are on the rancher ideology, which gives us access to the animal specialist, but it does make it so that they don't like vegetables. In fact, they don't even like planting them. So we have so much meat. But then issues with, like, everything else. So lots of animals, lots of ways to tame the animals, but you still need, like, hay, or you need, other vegetables and stuff from other sources to kind of augment the fact that you're not going to be able to plant any vegetables. Now, you can still plant hay, but it takes a while. And if you put it in an area where the animals can actually eat it, then they will eat the hay before it actually gets harvested. And that's actually worth less nutrition for them to eat it that way. Let's go ahead and throw some meat at somebody. And I do mean this in the quite literal sense of the term, in that we have so much of this stuff. Let's just load a bunch in a pod and yeet it at someone we want to make friends. Like, we have so much, like, we went on a trade recently and we still have so much textiles and other nonsense. Let us see, what else can we do? Honestly, let's yeet a bunch of this poor and awful clothing because it's not going to be much to sell anyways. But it could give us some points. Now we want to leave the steel stuff because it can be smelted. Tainted we don't care about. Grab you. Now you're excellent. I want to keep you. You're an excellent as well. They're all tainted. Are you as well? Yes, you are. And the sash, t-shirt, pants, tainted. Alright, what about you? You're good to go. Let's get you in here. Tribal wear. That's not tainted. And you. Not tainted. You and you. Now your masterwork, excellent. Good masterwork. Okay. Let's just do a double check that we got everything we want in here. Yeah, we got ourselves a turret pack, a low shield. From our last trade, which was awesome, as well as the caribous. Let's get rid of the marble club. We don't need that. And an Archotech eye, which is like, oh, absolutely delightful. And okay, there's still room in here. We could throw some more meat at it. But also we want to make sure that they can load this fast enough. Let's throw in some light leather. There. Okay. There we go. Perfect. So. Can you deliver to the bed? Perfect. Thank you. Now, one of you I set... Hold on. You are our genie. Okay. Then I want your legs removed. Yep. They're gonna be cranky. Uh-huh. That's nice. I want a genie for my collection. Thank you. It sounds so awful when you put it like that. Are we doing shadows? I know, I've got you, doing some rough work. Let's let you cook this last set, and then I will let you eat. we go. Perfect. Okay, doing great. Okay, we're still looking at a reform. Now, there's nobody to convert, except our 2 new folks, actually, now that I think about it. So, I need to set these folks. Yeah. Let's reduce your resistance. Reduce your resistance. How are you doing health-wise? You're all tended. You've got some malnutrition. My bad. I'm working on it. So Delgado is gonna get a bed there. So let's actually reinstall here. And there. Perfect. Alright, now let's go ahead once Shadows is done cooking this bit here. Let's clear your work, clean, and let's actually just go have a snack. Go have a snack, buddy. You deserve it. And you're not set to actually do any of that. So you're sitting here reducing our resistance. Perfect. Danbot is grabbing one tiny thing and then what? Deliver the bed. Fine. There. Oh, I see what you were doing. You were gonna go do their surgery. I see. Nice, nice. Okay. There we go. Now, do we have room yet for this person? We do not. You cannot haul. Let's get you to haul this chunk out of here. That'll give us room for another corpse. Okay. There we go. Okay, he's eaten with outsider's death. Oh. Sorry about that, bud. Speaking of, ha! Boop. Alright, we can re-allow these doors now. There we go. Straight. Boop. Okie doke. Getting ready to install the Pegleg. Well, let's put this back to medical now, because we will need it for our own folks. Oh, there is our ad warning. So, let's see how much further we can get in this. Can you continue doing this? I know you want to do some recreation, and I appreciate that. I really do. However, we need to get this stuff solved. Thank you very much. Let's see here. Okay, we're going to... I don't like this, but... Let's reduce this zone, because honestly, most of this is not being used for what we set it to. Let's do this. Okay. And now, that should give us even more room to put these corpses, because this one is in the wrong spot. Perfect. Right. And Mullen, how we doing? Let's get some more in there, please. Keep it coming. Alright. Now, did that horse fully get unloaded? Looks like it. 22 alpacas. What the fuzzy? Alright, I do have a small issue in the fact that Lenzar, you can't clean, can you? Okay. Pineapple, clean this, please. And then once you're done with that, haul the medicine, please. Because it is still sitting out, and we don't want it to deteriorate. Okay. Alright. Let's get that peg leg in. Perfect. Doing great. Awesome. And then we want to remove the peg leg. Yeah. I know. Let's get you to haul this out first, sir. Thank you. Perfect. That's fine. It's there. How are we doing? On you. Needs. You're all good that way. You're actually fine. So, can you get the other one done up, please? Thank you. After you're done talking with that person, uninstall that bed. Or actually, it would be better if you moved it. My bad. Okay. There we go. Let's get some more loading in here, sir. Thank you. Alright. Okay, we good. We got our meds moved. And then... Awesome. Autosave. Let's get these components hauled. Alright, let's take a look at this structure quest here. So, 3x16 is a sizable thing. Lenzar has an inspired trade. Interesting. 870. That's a lot. These kind of suck, actually. A random human. Toast is a psychic. A hypersensitive, chemical interest, trigger-happy baseliner. With Luciferium. Oh. Yeah, no, we're not taking this quest. Tumbleweed! Welcome on in! You are! Yeah, this quest is terrible. I don't like any of these rewards. This is a pawn that has Luciferium on them, and I'm not gonna do that. We have some, but I'm not gonna tango with Luciferium. No thank you. We're gonna have a hard enough problem with the fact that we've got a Hussar and no Go Juice, so. Is no one researching because I don't have the multi-analyzer on? If that's the case, I am gonna kick myself. Because that looks kind of like it's the case. I'm sitting here waiting on my reform until we finish our research, and turns out, boy, you're never gonna. I believe you. Lucy is fun, but also we have 4, 5, 6, 7 other potential colonists to come online. So we're good. Oh gosh. Yeah, no, we have our animals set away from the drugs. Oh, thank you, Pineapple. Appreciate that. I got distracted. I think we will now be focusing on one. Let's get some of our wealth down, which is so hard to do. And then 2, let's get ourselves a ritual room built over here. Now, let's see what we've got for trees and such that we'll want to set to be cut here. And then we're going to want doop. And then probably these ones as well. Yeah. And you. I think that should be good. Oh, good. This zone is actually completely defunct. How's everything else doing? And we have a couple over this way. So let's do some quick shenanigansing. Just do a quick little stockpile here. Oh, I heard someone drop something. I hope they are okay. Where else do we have random clothing sitting around, adding to our wealth? Oh, I bet you over here. Yeah, no one's grabbed that yet. Okay. And we will do here and here. There we go. And then we go to the zone, clear all. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Inspired trade on Lenzar is not well, actually, Lenzar is one of our, is like our leader. I'm clicking all the wrong things. Oh, thank you. I am on the wrong scene. Appreciate the reminder. As I said, I'm rolling with disadvantage. Okay. So Lenzar does have a decent social. Ooh, what if we send Lenzar out for a trade? Because they do have the inspo. Because Aya is back. So let's grab Lenzar. You're making our shelf. That's perfect. And Aya, can you please actually do some of this stuff? Thanks. Right. Doing great on that. We are on 119. We got double tapped. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. We got double tapped. So that's looking pretty good. All right, we're getting the other one in here. Oh, yes. Let's watch. Oh, is she talking to Gazelle? No, she's not. Perfect. Nether. Interacted too recently. Fair enough. We gotta watch who's trying to talk to Gazelle. Because Nether has an inspo recruitment, so we can get Gazelle like on our team now, as opposed to later. Okay, Osha. Then clean, please. Alrighty. You're doing great, sweetie. Yeah, I figured that it was probably just I had accepted these folks in between, so it was enough wealth to bump us to drop rates. Which honestly, that wasn't too bad. In the grand scheme of the amount of things there are on drop rates. Because it was like, what, 5 Etekeens and some boars, I think it was? Yeah. So, keeping an eye on that. Perfect. How are we doing on the loading, please? And thank you. Oh, Aya's recreating first. My bad. I ordered this incorrectly. There we go. Okay. So, we're going to want to build ourselves out here. Another lovely 11 by 11, as you do. Like so. Okay, perfect. I can actually put the walls there. I wondered for a second there. Let's put this here, but disallow it for now. And then we're going to want some doors, like so. Now, let's grab our shooting cover. And let's move it out here. Then we delete this zone, then we make this horrible. There we go. Okay. Oh, that is a delightful pun, Pineapple. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Oh, this was connected. I want you to stay connected. Alright. So, speaking of Pineapple, can you please haul this advanced component? It's sitting outside, and I don't want it to get bad. Alright. Do we have enough components that we can build this? I don't know. Let's check. Let's do a quick Z. Components. We do. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and build this other one then. Because we do need more power. Alrighty. Because I think we can turn this one on, but then we can't turn on this one. So, perfect. Alright. That will get us started on our stuffs. Alright. Perfect. If Aya's gonna go build the roof, why don't you... I clicked the rabbit. I don't know how well the rabbit's gonna work on the walls over here. Might be a little tricky. Mullen, let's get some of this stuff hauled here. Okay. Doing great. Striker. You're doing the transport pod, but let's go a quick clean in there because we are going to have another surgery. Okay. Doing good. Alrighty. Pineapple, how you doing? Relaxing? I apologize. There's things to haul. Okay. Getting our roof back up there. Alright. Starvation on who? Captain? Oh no. Well, that's not good. Shoot. Shadows, how we doing? Alrighty. Up you get. Let's get cooking. We need some more foods. I'm very sorry. We need another cook, and we need, like, another bench, honestly. Like, this is ridiculous. If we move you over, and then we could move the smelter out. Or we can move the cooking over a spot. Actually, that might be our best idea. Move the cooking bench over one, and then we can do a little shuffle and get another cook bench in here. Because I think that's what we're going to need to do just to get enough meals being made now. One problem right now. Let's switch this to preferred. I know, I'm terrible. Clean, then haul. Alright. We are running into issues with not being able to plant things fast enough for our animals. And because we don't have any vegetables, we can't supplement it with any kibble right now. How is OSHA doing? Load, please. Are you doing? You are loading. Lenzar is taking a nap now. And built one wall. How dare. We'll build these, please, and thank you. Forgot to babysit you. Let's get these into the home zone. Alrighty. Oh, rejected proposal. Oh no. OSHA proposed a lifelong commitment to Lenzar. Lenzar rejected the proposal. It was too much for the relationship to continue, so the two have now broken up. Oof. Let's just double check. I don't think we had these two sharing a bed. We did not, so we don't have to change our sleeping arrangements any. That's good at least. But drama. We have our ideology set to unlimited spouses and love is free and approved, so it's great so long as everybody's, you know, still alive. Alrighty. Doing awesome in there. Shadows, you're doing great. OSHA, let's do a quick clean. Now, can Gazelle be spoken to yet? Chatting with Gazelle. Yes, we can get this person online. That'll be perfect. Let's get this moved, please, and thank you. Boop. Alright, and we're gonna want to smooth that. Do you have enough to work on a steel door yet? You do. Let's get that done. And then get you on this. Alright. Perfect. Get this all nice and cleaned. Okay. I still have no one on researching. Is it just because I keep telling people to do other stuff? It's probably because I keep telling people to do other stuff. But I need this loaded, because if you wait too long, this stuff will rot in there. Oh no! Our puppies are grazing. Good for them. Yay! Gazelle! Welcome to the crew! Oh, you've been out of food for a bit. My bad. Alright, so you are absolutely a melee person. So, we'll set you to melee, and you are recruited, so we can put you on default. Perfect. Alright. So, that does mean we have 2 people, actually. I forgot about Mullen, who can be raffled right now. I completely forgot about Mullen. So, if you want to go ahead, Pineapple, and do up our raffle, you do. So, let's do Mullen first, because we got them first. So this is a Hussar, which we are going to go out and see about getting Go Juice. But they are absolutely awesome in combat, and they are double passion in medical, so they'll be a great field medic. So you can press !join if you are not already in the colony to have your name entered to be this pawn in our crew. You are also a tough jogger, which is just like mind-blowing, as well as some intellect in there. So when you're not doing other stuff, you've got some great options here. Now we do have a couple of little things to fix up, but they're all on like arms and that kind of like, so you'll be great for one of our fighters. That'll be awesome. While I'm thinking of that, what do I need to actually get to the point I can do Go Juice? I literally just need to research it. Yeah, they're very young. I'm really impressed with how powerful this pawn is, being 14. Like, this is going to be a really kick-butt pawn. Because it's like, that's some really high skills, some really high passions for a 14-year-old. So this is going to be an excellent pawn for the long run. Great fighter, which we definitely need some help on. Because I think our highest shooter might be like 14 as for the number. So we don't have a whole lot of good shooters. We have a lot of decent shooters and some shooters. But as you saw with the difficulty settings that we're on, we don't get usually, fingers crossed, don't listen to this, Cass. We don't usually get that many people when we do get our raids. And if we do, usually then it's because they're melee. Now, our wealth is a little bit ridiculous right now, so having more people to actually protect us is going to be great in the long run, because there's no way we're ever going to be able to keep the wealth down in this colony. That's just the way that this works. With all the animals we have to get, and then all of the slaughtering we have to do, and then all the textiles and all the meat that we get from that, we are going to be so flush with wealth. Like, literally, I'm still trying to get them to finish filling up this pod, so I could just yeet this at somebody to get it out of my map. Alrighty, so we got a little bit left here. And just let me know in the chat how you'd like the pawn to be listed when you do get your announcement. Awesome. Welcome in, Tumbleweed. Do you want just Tumbleweed? Tumbleweed. Like that? Alrighty. Welcome to the colony. Okay. I don't know as if we've got enough people to try for Gazelle. However, we do still have another pawn that just joined us. So this is our Neanderthal, who is a fast walker, kind with bloodlust. So they've got a 9 in melee, an 8 in cooking, which means they can be online for our second cook, like, right away, which is going to be awesome. I think, Pineapple, go ahead and run the raffle for this one, just to see if anyone's interested. So for lurkers, if you're out there, we are going to be raffling off this Neanderthal. If no one enters, we make sure we leave the person open, and then we'll do another raffle at a later date if we don't get any entries. So don't worry about that too much. But this is going to be another excellent melee person for us, which is great with Bloodlust. They've also got an 8 in plants to start off with, which we always need planters. And the cooking, they'll get up there. Yeah. Kind Bloodlust is kind of hilarious and honestly pretty fitting. I think I might fall under that category. Because there's a lot of people who would say that, like, I'm very nice, I'm very polite, I'm very kind. But also, if you cross me, and there's a clip of what happened to the raiders that decided to kill my puppy. We have one corpse over here. Oh, shoot, I have to double check that. We have one corpse over here, which is a husky. Here it is. Which was from our first pair of huskies. I've never gotten huskies before. That was hurt and killed by raiders, and I proceeded to hunt them all down. So there's quite literally a highlight up on my channel that's basically me going John Wick on all of these raiders that came in and killed my puppy. So it can happen. It's an unusual combination, but it can happen. But let's go ahead. Yeah, let's let you eat and do all that. So while we're waiting to see if anyone is interested in our pawn, we'll take off childcare. There are no children. Set that all up. Now, you are decent at cooking, but OSHA's a little bit better. But we can get you up some more. However, you are going to be absolutely a grower. Your crafting is also really good. Are you? You are actually like our second highest crafter. So let's do this. I think looks good. Yeah, we'll set that up for that. And then I put everyone on a 4 for researching because I need somebody researching and nobody's researching. Alright. So that should be good. Alrighty. How are we doing there? Doing great. You put the stuff in the door and didn't make the door? Silly pawns. Alrighty. Rhino. Oh, yes. If anyone is interested, we have a point redeem for if you want to name an animal. We have a lot of animals. Now, generally what happens is sometimes some of those animals do end up getting auto-slaughtered, but I keep record of all of the names and what animal you did that with. So that if at any point in time I notice that your name has gone missing, I will actually rename another animal. So that one sticks around for a while. Alrighty, get that stuff built. Speaking of Gazelle, are you good? Okay, you're putting on that shield belt, Peachy Keen. Oh, actually, yeah. Oh, okay. That might have been one that I missed, Pineapple. Send me a note on Discord. Because the problem was I had to manually go into every single one of the things where it's like chat message, to then make it into the bot instead of me. So I might have missed a few. I tried to catch everything, but if you can just send me a message to remind me to fix that one, then I can do that later. Alright. I'm so sorry to wake you up, Pineapple. How you doing? Let's get you to haul this, please. And then you'll have room to haul this. Alright. So I'm not terribly surprised there was one that I missed. That was probably hidden in a conditional now that I think about it, and I just didn't notice it. It happens. Can you please build this door? Thank you. Alright. Good, good, good. Pineapple's hauling that, so then you can haul this. Once you're done eating, Danbot, can I get... Is this done hauling, or is it just you can't haul? It's probably just you can't haul. Yeah, because someone else can. Alrighty. I need to get this pod filled up before our stuff rots. Alright. Let's keep going. Going great. Alright. Perfect. How is your sleep going? Alright. Starting to get cleared back up now. Our animal starvation is getting back down. Now that we've got some more planters back online. That's awesome. Starting to get caught back up with the dandelions, which is very good. Alright, and then we'll get you to haul this, which will then mean you can haul that. Thank you, Pineapple, for your service. Alright. And then... Starvation. Who's starving? Killer? Oh my gosh. What are you doing, bud? Oh my word. You're all the way out here with no food. Like a doof. How much does this beat up? You barely started on this. Okay. Haul the uranium in, and then you'll be inside, and hopefully you'll eat. Silly miner. Okay. How are we doing? Now, this person here. Good. We've got our legs removed. Nice. So they are all set. This person's all set. You are set to no canny on purpose. We're working on the resistance on you, as well as these folks. Okay. Once you're done that, Osha, let's get that wood out of there, because that can count as a weapon, and I'd really rather they did not use that. Okay. Perfect. Okay, that's Pineapple done there, and that's our last corpse. Fingers crossed. Hauled. Let's do a check. Okay, in our freezer. It's not in our freezer. This is how we get lung rot in our animals. Crud. We have a few. Darn, 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 darn. Okay. We're just gonna have to shrink this zone like a bunch. Just keep it there so I keep the settings. Alright. How are you doing? Oh, you really need the recreation. What about you, Danbot? Okay. Yeah, the miners are, tricky. We'll say. Clean. Alright, Captain. Let's actually get you to haul some of this stuff here, because we don't want to get any more lung rot in our animals because we're forgetting and or not having the space to actually haul the corpses out. Okay. That's starting to look a little bit better. Perfect. Okay, how are we doing? Okay, we're about at the halfway point. I really want to get this pod finished, though. Like... Please. I'd like to get this pod launched before I quit today. Like, I really need that. Alright. Shadows, you've cleaned. Now you can cook. Perfect. Killer, once you're done that, let's go ahead and move this bed, please. And then we'll get you to haul in some of these corpses. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Yeah, we still only have like one thing there. Now, if we get Pineapple to haul this, then we'll give us another space for a corpse. Ugh. Corpse management 101. Okay. Haya's putting that in there. Oh gosh, we've got another dead there. Of course we do. Alrighty. Okie doke. I don't like to normally do this, but are there some corpses that can go up on the shelf? There are. Allow human corpses, allow insect corpses. Okay. Because I think some of these smaller corpses could go up on the shelf. Now let's see. What is your thing set to preferred and yours is set to important? So... can I get you to move any of these corpses? Yes, I can. Alright. There we go. Oh, yes, this will help. Perfect. Alright, let's get some of these small ones up on the shelves. And that'll give us so much more room for this. Okay. Should have done this earlier. Alright. Okay, so goats won't fit, rabbits will. What about alpacas? Nope, too big. Okay. Let's get you to haul that out, because that gives us another slot as well. Oh. A drifter. A visitor is approaching the colony. She wants to talk. You can send a colonist to hear what she has to say. Oh boy! After you've done that, please repair this. Are you doing... Okay, let's finish up with some of this hauling here. Any more of these that can go on the shelf? Oh, this can. Okay. There we go. Alrighty, let's let her come a little bit closer. And then Captain, once you're done... Is this loaded yet? Striker? Yes, you're loading. Good. Keep loading. Where is this drifter? Alright, let's take a look at you. Another joyous pawn. Huh. Interesting. I would kind of like a different creep join, please and thank you. Also, you're both ladies, so you can't even, unfortunately, get married based on how the rule is set. You're a little suspicious. Let's let them come a little closer, I think. Because that's weird. That's very weird. I don't know as if they're really, like, good enough. Although, they're probably better than some of the other ones we have sitting in here. We are getting on in our time here, so I don't think I will worry about them this time. But I really want to just get this pod done, and I think we will head out. So, since we're going to get close to being done, I will go ahead and put a pause on our raids so no one comes in right at the end and gets disappointed. Alright. We're doing great there. Finally, rebuilding some of the traps. Fair enough. Can we please get this thing filled up? I'm very tired of this. Danbot, I'm gonna need you to do that next. I don't know how long these corpses have been here, and I need them moved. And I need them moved stat. Lenzar, fine. If you're gonna build that thing, build the thing. Okay, I build these, please. Construct, and then. Okay. Alright, where is our friend going? Oh, Mad Rat. Where? Just the one? Okay. I guess Aya can go inside. Here, Aya. Once you're done that trap, do this. Where's that? Is the rat gonna go through our traps? It should just go through our traps. Depending. So... yeah, suddenly, one angry rat. One very silly angry rat. Yep, who is instantly dead. Bye! Nice knowing ya. Saw you later. We'll never do hauling. Can I get you to do anything I would like? Okay. No. Fair enough. Alright, that's definitely gonna have to be for next time then. I want this done. Please. I need you folks to finish this. Hold spore next. And then, actually, if you haul this out of the way, then we'll have room for another one. Honestly, I don't think it was too bad, because we were cleaning up for one raid, we had another raid, the drop pod raid, we dealt with our refugees. I don't mind just a tiny little rat being like, womp womp. Like, it was pretty spicy today. Alright, load. And then, can I not? Unless I don't know why it won't let me do these things. It's kind of weird. Are you... okay, you're a corpse I can haul. Alright. Yeah. Okay. I think I will leave this person for a next time. I just really want to get this pod done. Like, I can't get this person to work on it. Like, I'm right-clicking and nothing is happening. Is it just because Aya's, like, bringing in the last thing? I don't understand sometimes why you can tell them to do it, and then sometimes you can't. Ah! Fair enough. Launch. Confirm. Okay, who do we want to make friends with? Ooh. Ooh, we could give it to the greens. Maybe greens. Oh, is that my captions dying? Oh, really? I am, like, right at the end here. Don't do that, please. Let's do a quick check on our factions. Greens are currently hostile. Oh, we could give it to the pigs. We're never going to get them back up for a while. Actually, maybe to yellows. We're very close on purple. How much is it for purple? It's only like 2. It's much more worth more to the people who in the yellows. So we'll go with that. Okay. So let's let that deliver. There we go. Perfect. And we will go ahead and we'll call it here. So at the end of every stream, we take a screenshot of what our colony looks like to see how far we have progressed. So we'll save that. That is end of day 15. And we finally got ourselves another pair because we got the caribou, which is awesome. Perfect. We'll do that. And then we make sure we save. And we'll go back to our main menu. So let me find you someone to raid. Thank you everyone who came in. I really appreciate you all showing up and hanging out. We will be streaming again next week on Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern and Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern. So same time we started today. Sometimes I do Fridays, but it's usually more like a makeup day if I ran really short on something else. So let's see here. If we do same category and following. Ooh. This is someone who's actually raided us before, but we haven't had a chance to raid them. They're playing excuse me, Rim Connect, doing the ship launch. It looks like they've got some mods in there because they've got 150 xenotypes. So let's go ahead and do a raid to them. So I'll go ahead and switch our screen here. Oh, hello and goodbye. Thank you for coming in. I hope I see you folks again on Monday at 1 p.m. No problems. I appreciate you coming in to hang out. But we got ourselves another thing. We've got a bunch of pawns that are on the docket for next time. So there will probably be a lot of raffles come next stream. And we'll have to figure out what we're doing with that other creep join. But I hope that you all take good care of your meat suit and your meat yogurt. Take your meds if you need them. And have a great rest of your day or whatever is applicable for your time zone. Bye. Bye-bye.